In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix a problem of your Signal application. If you're not receiving its code or you have any other problem with the codes in your smartphone. For this, you have to open your Play Store first. When the Play Store is open, so in the search bar you have to search Signal. If Signal application is not installed in your phones, you have to install it first. When your application is installed, you have to close the Play Store and open your settings of your phone. When settings of your phones are open, so in the search bar you have to search Signal. When settings of your Signal application is open, you have to go to the second option here, which is about permissions. Allow all the permissions here to access your phone. When you have allowed all the permissions to access your phone, you have to close the settings here and open your Signal application. When you open your Signal application, you have to continue this with this phrase. Enter your phone number here. When you enter your phone number, you will receive a verification code here. The verification code is added automatically. If not, you can copy and paste it from your messages. Your problem is resolved now. You can do further setting here as well. Thank you.